Welcome! Today, we are learning what money is. Let's have some fun. What is money? Money is something people use every day to buy things, save for later, and trade with others. Long ago, people traded items like food or clothes directly. For example, you could buy an apple only if you had a pair to exchange. Today, money makes trading easier and fairer for everyone. Why do we need money? We need money because it helps people exchange goods and services without having to trade items directly, like pears for apples. Money makes buying and selling easier. Money helps us know how much things are worth. Money allows us to save for the future. For example, instead of trading 3 apples for a sandwich, you can use money to buy the sandwich directly. Money can come in different forms. All of them help us buy things. Money can be in coins like pennies and quarters. Money can also be in paper bills like $1 or $5 bills. Money can also be in digital form like on a phone app. Even though they look different, they all do the same job. What can money do? Money has 3 important jobs. You can buy things with money like toys, books, food, and clothes. You can save money for something special later. You can share money to help others. For example, you might save money to buy a bike or share money with a charity. Where does money come from? Most money comes from working. Adults earn money by doing jobs, and kids can earn money by helping with chores or small tasks. Parents earn money at work. Kids may earn money by helping at home. Some money can be received as gifts. Smart money habits. Learning about money early helps build good habits. Save a little before spending. Think before buying. Take care of your money. Good money choices today help you tomorrow. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.